Hey friend. Okay, video mode. I'm still trying to figure out how to get all of this filmed and in my right spot. So today I'm actually filming in front of, well actually like my door is right here, like my front door is right here, and the sun comes in the best through this little spot. And so that's what I chose, and I feel like I look halfway decent, but I could not find matching earrings for this one right here, so I put in one that doesn't match. One day I might get it together, probably not anytime soon. But so I'm starting these videos on beauty on a budget. Yeah, I talked about that in my last video. So today I'm going to be talking about skincare. There are a couple products that are not drugstore, just because there was a point in time in my life where I was going through some weird skin stuff. So I felt like I was spending so much money on skincare. I mean, it was literally insane. Like nothing would work. I could not get my face moisturized no matter what I did. Everything on my face, it was just like a huge rash. It was insane. I have actually been using the moisturizers that I'm going to show you. I have been using them for a few months. I'm just really waiting for them to give out because I paid so much money for them. And so I'm still using them because I am. Wait a minute, I feel like I'm missing one. Okay, just got them. People ask me all the time what kind of skincare that I use. I'm starting to kind of go through a funk right now with my face again, so I'm sure it might change soon. Most of my skincare stuff does come from the drugstore. The very first thing that I use is whenever I am wearing makeup, the cleansers and stuff just don't get it off of my skin. Sometimes I feel like it's just too drying. So this is almost out. One of my most favorite things that I ever use from the drugstore is by Burts Bees. This is the Burts Bees cleansing oil, and I use this on a dry face. You just squirt it on your hands, rub it together, and it just melts your makeup away. Dry skin only. Dry skin only. If you try to mix it with water, it will not work. So I do my cheeks and my forehead, and you know, with my eyes open obviously, and just get it all, and you can use it on your lips to get lipstick off, and do your neck, and then I do my eyes. I just rub it all in. I will say that if you wear contacts, you might want to take your contacts out before you do this, because for some reason I feel like when I wear my contacts and I'm trying to use that stuff, I don't know, I just feel like it makes my skin, I feel like it makes my eyes, I don't know why I think this, but I feel like my contacts are moving around because it's oily. I don't know, it might just be me. But then I rinse it off with warm water and just pat my face dry. Or sometimes I use Soap and Glory. This is Soap and Glory Deep Cleansing Milk, and I use this a lot of times if I don't have any of this left. I don't like this one as much as I like this one. It works okay, same concept, except it's just a milk instead of an oil. You put it all over your face with if you have makeup on, and you just rub it in. It's kind of like mentholated. Is that a word? I don't know. It feels like it has like a little bit of I don't know. I just feel like it has like a little bit of like minty. I don't know. My face feels cool when I use it for some reason. Next thing I use is, there's a fly. What? Simple Micellar Facial Gel Wash. I'm sure that I said that wrong, but this is it. And this, I actually have two of them. I have one in my shower, and I have one on my bathroom sink, because I use them at night and in the morning. Most of the time I use this in conjunction with a Clarisonic. I did not put that in this video just because I really didn't think about it, but Clarisonics are pretty pricey. I actually spent a long time deciding if I wanted to purchase one, but now that I have one, I don't feel like I could wash my face effectively without it. This right here is for sensitive skin. It is, let's see, there's no perfumes in it, no harsh chemicals. I bought this during that time whenever I was going through all of my rashy mess all over my face, and this I have stuck with. I've bought more than one. I have run out of this, and I've bought so many more. Yeah, I just like this as like just like an everyday cleanser. It's not really for makeup removal. It's just like for straight up cleansing, and it says it's for dehydrated or dry skin. That would be me. After I cleanse my face, I use is a face oil of some sort. I either use like a vitamin E oil. Right now I'm kind of hooked on this Pixi Beauty Rose oil blend. This is a nourishing face oil. You can find this at Target. I think that's like the only place that you can really find it at right now. I don't know. I think this is actually a little bit expensive, but it's worth it. I spilled some this weekend whenever I was out of town, and I was kind of pissed about it, and I was like, oh, now I gotta go buy more of it. Sometimes I just take the dropper and apply it like right to my face. I'll use it on my forehead, both cheeks, and then my chin. It gives my face so much hydration. I suffer from dry skin, and especially now that we're going into the fall and into the winter, I know that I'm going to be lathering this face up with some moisturizers. The next step that I'll do, whether it's night or morning, I will use Clinique's. This is the Clinique Smart Line, and I use this. This is the morning. That silver packaging is just not going to help me out, but I use this, and this is the night cream. A lot of times what I do, if I don't want to apply my oil straight to my face, I actually drop 4 drops in the palm of my hand, and then I scoop out like a dollop of this. See, I'm almost out, and I'm gonna switch to something else because I'm not gonna buy this. Scoop out a little bit of this and put it in my hand, and the same goes for the night. This is the nighttime one, and it's a nice creamy one. But I just scoop out a little bit and then put that in the palm of my hand with the 4 dots of the oil and rub it together and rub it all over my face, and then still, you know, keep going up for my neck and really for my skin. I try to go away from my face because, you know, it's trying to weigh it down. Things that you need for your skincare regimen, I don't care like what age you are. If you are wearing makeup, you need to have a cleanser specifically to get your makeup off. Whether it is a milk, an oil, a cleanser, whatever. You just need to have something to take your makeup off. I do not believe that like you can use one thing and it cleanses your face and treats whatever problem you might have going on with your skin and get your makeup off. I don't know, I don't believe it. I've tried it. I've tried to save money and only use one thing, and it just doesn't work. So, but use a cleanser. You use something to get your makeup off. And if you need an oil for your face, you use an oil. I feel like oils are good for everybody. And then you use moisturizer. It is best to wash your face in the morning and at night. You don't want to go to bed with your makeup on because it is disgusting for one. And then you wake up with eye boogers like, whoa. I don't care. I have fallen asleep so many times with my makeup on by accident or because I was lazy. More because I was lazy. And it's like in the morning my eyes are just crusty and it's nasty. Plus the makeup just sinks into your pores and then it just looks nasty. So yeah, morning and night, okay? Morning and night, and I don't care how old you are. That's all I have for this particular video because I gotta go get my youngest from the schoolhouse. And so that's it. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn that little bell thing on so that you are alerted every single time that I make a video. I hope you all are having an awesome day. See you in my next one. Whenever I'm doing my neck, I make sure I'm coming up and I'm not going down because gravity is already going down. I ain't trying to go down with it.